Hey everybody, it's Chad with American RV in Evansville, Indiana. I'm up in Elkhart at the Alliance RV Open House, and I wanted to show you this brand new Delta 281 BH travel trailer. It's a brand new model. They're just now hitting dealer lots, and this is going to be one of the hottest travel trailers for the 2024 season, and you can get it still in 2023. Look at this outside kitchen. It's got a griddle, it's got a stove, and it's got the fridge. When you walk on the inside, it's a luxury travel trailer set up for a family. You've got theater seating across from a great entertainment center. Inside that entertainment center, you've got pull-out shelves for tons of pantry storage, and even behind the television, they've added hidden storage back there so you can stick things back there. Maybe you don't want everybody to see. Nice big fridge, executive kitchen. Look at the countertops on this thing. A nice sized bedroom for mom and dad. Beautiful cabinetry, and look at the interior of this thing. It is absolutely stunning. U-shaped dinette. There's that theater seating again. When you walk towards the back, you've got storage under the bunks, two double-sized bunks for the kids, and a large bathroom. Look at the size of that, and extra countertop space going all the way back to the shower. Let us know what you think about the brand new Alliance RV Delta 281 BH. Leave your comments below. We want to see what your thoughts are on this brand new luxury travel trailer for families. But until next time, happy camping.